Story Nest.
A small emerald green dragon with oversized wings, Sparky, stood at the edge of a shimmering waterfall. He took a deep breath, the mist tickling his snout, and flapped his wings with more enthusiasm than skill. He wobbled in the air for a moment before landing with a soft thump on the mossy ground. Nearby, a bluebird chirped sadly. "Oh, Sparky," she sighed, her feathers looking strangely dull. "My beautiful blue, it's gone." A fuzzy caterpillar, once a vibrant orange, now a muted gray, inched closer. "Mine too," he mumbled, his voice barely audible. Everything seemed so colorless. Sparky's little brow furrowed. He wanted to help his friends, but he still hadn't quite mastered flying. He took another running leap, flapping his wings with all his might. This time, he managed to stay airborne for a few wobbly seconds, hovering just above the colorful wildflowers that had also lost their vibrancy. Suddenly, an old wise owl hooted from a nearby branch. "The colors are caught in the whispering wind," she said, her usually golden eyes now a pale yellow. "Only a dragon with a brave heart and strong wings can reach it, beyond the crystal peaks." Sparky knew he wasn't the strongest flyer, but his heart was full of determination. He looked at his sad friends and nodded. "I'll go," he declared, with newfound resolve. Sparky launched himself into the air. He tumbled and twirled, but he kept flapping, remembering his friends' colorless faces. Slowly but surely, with each gust of wind he battled, his wings grew stronger, and his flight became steadier as he soared towards the distant shimmering crystal peaks.